Ziggy, I've been shopping today and I saw these Polish cucumbers in brine. My understanding is that they are prepared by natural fermentation and contain no vinegar, so it is just cucumbers and salt. So I thought I'm gonna give them to you to try. I love those. So let's see what you think about Polish cucumbers. All right, Ziggy, I do not even know what to expect, but shall we just try and see what you think of Polish cucumbers naturally fermented? Maybe a little bit salty, so take it easy. Let's see what you think. Gherkins, we normally put them in sandwiches or have them as a pickle, and they are quite salty. Well, I'm gonna try one myself. Oh my god, they have dill in them, and it is salty, tiny bit fizzy, tiny bit sour, but mostly salty, so we will not give him more than that. They're gorgeous. I love them. Ziggy loves them too. Look at that. My Dalmatian is eating Polish gherkins. That's it, Ziggy. That's enough because they're quite salty. Thank you for trialing this. Thank you so much.